Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. PBOC weakened the yuan, Australia deficit below market ests. http ntvforex.com news ID ECB162. 7/23/2025 47:51 am. Asia market update. Markets trade mixed amid holiday in Japan. Shanghai lags after recent news related to US-China relations. PBOC policy speculation. PBOC weakened the yuan, Australia deficit below market ests. General trend. Shanghai Composite dropped by over 2% during morning session. IT firms dropped by over 2%, financials also traded lower. Shanghai Property Index declines by over 2% amid report that Nanjing will tighten certain property-related measures. Hang Seng traded generally flat during morning session. Financials were flat, while tech firms moved generally higher. AAC Technologies Apple supplier rises over 11% in HK on strategic investment agreement. Gainers in Australia include consumer discretionary and energy costs. Consumer staples, resource, and financial firms decline. Hynix reverses opening gain amid guidance, sees DRAM price adjustment. China's Commerce Ministry MOFCOM sometimes holds weekly news conferences on Thursday. Companies due to report during the New York morning include American Airlines, AutoNation, the Blackstone Group, Citrix Systems, Dow Chemical, Freeport-McMoRan, W.W. Grainger, Hershey, Kimberly-Clark, Southwest Airlines, Nucor, Pulte Group, AT&T, Travelers, Twitter, Union Pacific. Headlines. Economic data. Australia, New Zealand. ASX 200 opened 0.1%. Australia Treasurer Frydenberg forecasts FY 19-20 budget deficit of $85.8 billion. FY 2021 budget deficit of $184.5 billion below expectations for above $200 billion deficit pre-budget statement. Australia Finmin Corman cautions against using taxpayer-funded economic support for too long. SAMP says Australia AAA sovereign rating can absorb growing deficit, reiterates sovereign rating remains tilted toward downside. Moody's Australia AAA sovereign rating will remain resilient, fiscal repair to start in 2021. Australia Q2 NAB business confidence 15v12 prior. Victoria State reports 403 additional coronavirus cases v 484 prior. New South Wales NSW State reports 19 additional coronavirus cases v 16 prior. NZ New Zealand Debt Management Office DMO sells NZ $950M v NZ $950M indicated in 2023, 2029, and 2033 bonds. China Hong Kong. Hang Seng opened 0.7%, Shanghai Composite 0.8%. CanSino 6185.HK to issue 24.8 MA shares on the China Star Board in Shanghai to make further announcement once the final offering size and issue price are determined. CN China Box said to pause further monetary policy easing. Press July 22. US-China moving to close US consulate in Chengdu. Press. CN China government said to consider closing of the U.S. consulate in Wuhan as a retaliatory response. Financial press from July 22. CN China PBOC sets yuan reference rate 6.9921 v 6.9718 prior, largest percentage weakening of CNY since June 29. CN Nanjing City, China says it will tighten its land market control and improve restrictions on home purchases. Press. CN China Industry Ministry MIIT Vice Min XIN Coronavirus impact on China economy is controllable. Activity in industrial economy has recovered to normal track. CN China Bok open market operation. OMO injects 50 billion Chinese yuan in reverse repos v skips prior net drain 0 billion Chinese yuan v net drain 0 billion Chinese yuan prior. CN China Finance Ministry MOF sells 1-month deposits average yield 2.7%. CN China Finance Ministry MOF sells 5 billion Chinese yuan in 2-year and 5-year bonds in Hong Kong. Japan. Nikkei 225 closed for holiday. JP Tokyo reported to find GT 300 coronavirus cases. Press. JP Japan Cabinet Office Government Monthly Economic Report for July raises overall economic assessment, sees economy showing signs of picking up but remains in a severe situation, second straight upgrade, as expected July 22. Korea. KOSPI opened flat. KR South Korea Q2 preliminary GDP QQ 3.3% v 2.4% E largest contraction since 1997 debt crisis YY 2.9% v 2.0% E enters technical recession for the first time since 2003. Hinix 000660.kr reports Q2 KRW net 1.26 TV 535.5 BYYOP 1.95 TV 637.6 BYY 1.67 TE Rev 8.61 TV 6.45 TYY 8.17 TE guides Q3 DRAM shipments flat QQ, NAND shipments up in high single-digit range QQ. Hyundai Motor 005380.kr reports Q2 KRW net 227BV 999 BYYOP 590BV 1.24 TYY Rev 21.9 TV 27.0 TYY. Other Asia. SG Singapore June CPIMM 0.0% v 0.0% EYY 0.5% v 0.5% E. Thailand Central Bank assist Gov said bought THB intervention not for trade benefit press. TW Taiwan government will approve a NT $210B special budget. North America. U.S. Press Trump possible to close more diplomatic sites. U.S. Sen. Shelby RAL Senate has tentative deal on stimulus will finish appropriations part of bill on Thursday, July 23. U.S. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin says in good shape on the Republican stimulus talks. Airbnb said to have been approached about merger with Blank Check Co. Such a merger would enable the co to conduct an IPO. Financial press. Europe. CN China State TV blacks out football games amid clash with UK press. Levels as of 1:20 ET. Nikkei 225, closed. ASX 200 0.3%, Hang Seng 0.5%, Shanghai Composite 0.9%, KOSPI 0.5%. Equity SAMP P500 Futures 0.1%, Nasdaq 100 0.3%, DAX flat FTSE 100 0.1%. 1.1583 euros 1.1564 Japanese yen 107.19 107 Australian dollars and 10 cents 0.7154 0.7132 NZD 0.6680 0.6650 Gold 0.2% at $1,868 ounce, crude oil 0.1% at $42.03 BRL, copper 0.4% at $2.9135 lb. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.